Okay, welcome to Garage Mahal. My name's Brian Niskola, if you haven't tuned in before. And today I am going to be working on my Suzuki SX4. And this thing has not been working right. Let me open the garage. And basically what I have going on is I'm getting a misfire error. Hop in, I'll start it real quick. I'll show you what's going on. But I'm going to be using a blue driver, Bluetooth OBD2, so we can find out what is going on. I have another OBD2 that I use, but let's put the blue driver in. Before we start it up, let me bring up the app. Have it connect. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's running really rough. Let's see how choppy it looks. Alright, let's go to read codes. Okay, see how it says cylinder 3 misfire detected. So it also has, I don't know if you can see that, the cylinder 4 misfire detected. And what I did earlier, let me turn this off. And what I had done earlier is I had detected the misfire in cylinder 4. I figured it was probably the ignition coil. So what I did is I swapped it. 4 I swapped with 3 I put into 4, and now I get the misfire cylinder 3 detected. So pretty easy to diagnose, and let's go through and change that real quick. Shut the garage, keep the heat in. Alright, so I've already done some preliminary work, but let me put my gloves on. That's the air cover. And I already pre-labeled these 1, 2, 3, 4, so it'd be easy to identify which one's bad. It was originally 4, but I swapped 4 out with 3, like I said before. So I'm just going to disconnect that. 10mm socket. There. And visual inspection doesn't look like anything's bad, but usually when you have a misfire, sometimes this rubber boot has an exposed or broken part, but looks pretty good. Here's the replacement, brand new one. Got this on Amazon. think it was like 20 bucks or something like that. But anyway, make sure it's seated right. Okay, that's good. Put the bolt back on. And something I had done before is I had bought all new ignition coils about 6 months ago. All new plugs. I replaced the alternator. It's got a new battery. Alright, then we'll connect this in here. Okay, and that is pretty much it. Put the air cover back on. Now, the Misfire came up as a permanent code, so I would imagine it's probably not going to go away for probably a while. Like I said, it has to cycle through a couple starts here and there. Okay, make sure that's good and solid down there. Put my magnetic light away. Alright, let's open the garage, back it out, bring it for a test drive. Now let me shut the main part of the garage in the hall so I'm not letting all the heat out. I don't know if you can hear that difference, but it is running really good so far. Now let's jump back into the blue driver. Okay. So we still have all the codes listed. We're going to hit clear. Oh, let's reconnect to the vehicle. Reconnect. Alright, so we're going to read codes again. One pending code. We're going to hit clear. Clear triple codes. Yes. Clearing. We'll hit scan again. And see, it says it's still showing misfire detected, and random multiple cylinder misfire. So it's got the 3 codes, but we're going to go bring it for a quick spin, and hopefully that should clear it out. But my delusion is going to be that it's probably going to take a couple cycles on off, you know, starting to clear that up. But anyway, that's how you change your ignition coil in 10-15 minutes. Thanks for tuning in, and I will update you as soon as these codes clear. But like I said, it's probably going to take a couple cycles, but as you can tell, I mean, it's purring like a kitten again. So Okay, as you'll see from the screenshots, the permanent code went away. It took a couple starts, and I had to drive around for a little bit over a mile, and the check engine light went off, and the car was running fine. So, I mean, just a quick drive around, and the power is totally restored. I was able to get out of the driveway, no problem. And before, with the Misfire, I was only working on 3 out of the 4 cylinders, and I could barely get out of the driveway. So that fixed the problem. It was shaking really bad as part of the pre-diagnosis. I know I mentioned that earlier in the video, but I mean, it was a pretty simple fix. Like I said, 10 minutes. I had the old part out, new part in, boom, power restored, good to go. Blue Driver was integral in diagnosing this problem. If I brought that to a garage, they would have brought it for a test drive. Garages will charge you 55, 60 bucks an hour or more. And then on top of that, they wanted about 80 bucks for the replacement part. I got the ignition coil on Amazon for $25. On top of the Blue Driver was $99, but I've used it on several other vehicles, and believe me, I've gotten more than my money worth out of it. So, I mean, it's a great tool. It's definitely something that, everybody should consider having in a garage if you're a DIY guy like me. I was integral in diagnosing the problem. Basically, I mean, within seconds, I knew what was wrong. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and you'll click subscribe, and also hit me with any comments. I'll leave all the links for everything that I used, that I bought on Amazon to make this repair possible. And, enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend if you're watching on a weekend, and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel and Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching. Bye.